This is certainly a change of pace. I came outside to take the dog for a walk and holy crap, it got cold out. So I'm gonna have to go get me a sweatshirt. Oh yeah, happy day 4. Welcome to the vlog. All right, guys. Walk done, workout done. We even make functional prints and all that. Let's make some fun stuff. All right, welcome back. Day number 4. This is gonna be a little quick one, but my wife wanted some of these Boo buckets. Anybody remember these things from McDonald's? Yeah, they're pretty, I don't know what you would say, nostalgic, I guess.
Spooky McBoo, matey. Character McGoblin. Golden McPumpkin, partner.
Now you can collect one of 3.
I just wanted to hop on here quick, show you guys this fun little print. No issues whatsoever. The files are great. Everything prints out nice. The only thing that I had an issue with was the holes for the straps. I had to ream them out a little bit, but no big deal. Everything else came out great. Now I've got a big day planned. I've got lots of things going on today. We already took the dog for a walk. We got our workout in. We're filming our video. What else is there to do? Oh yeah. I'm gonna film a different kind of video today, and there's gonna be clips and excerpts and all kinds of stuff coming from that, but that's at a later time. Now we're gonna do the analytics check. This is day 4. We are up to 9:33. Things are going well. It's going slower. Like I said in my last video, these long form contents, I'm not getting as many subs, but I'm getting a lot more watch hours. Maybe I need to put out a couple more shorts. I think they're coming too. All right, I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.